Can a diet be packed with flavor actually be good for you? Tired of restrictive diets and boring meal plans? Ready to say goodbye to fad diets and hello to sustainable health? I know the answer is yes to all of that. So let's explore the Mediterranean way again. Hello, I'm Farhad, and just a few recap on Mediterranean diet and what we discussed on my last video. The Mediterranean diet consistently tops the list of best diets in US News and World Report annual rankings. A panel of experts evaluates numerous diets based on factors such as overall health benefits, effectiveness, and ease of adherence. So let's dive in and prepare another quick, healthy, and tasty Mediterranean eggplant dish in minutes and keep this delicious, healthy lifestyle going. Be sure to stay to the end of this video as I reveal top 10 quick key points to know before starting a Mediterranean diet. So let's get to work. Okay, so we're making a Mediterranean eggplant tomato pasta dish with whole wheat pasta and with some other ingredients which you're going to see. So I have a large eggplant here. I'm not going to use all of it, so I'm going to use the half. This serves 2 people, but if you want to if you want to make it for 4 people, obviously go ahead and use the whole eggplant. And more or less, you have to dabble other ingredients based on your preference. The process of working with the eggplant is very similar to my last video. If you haven't watched my last video, I highly recommend to watch it. I'm going to include the link down below the description. I'm also going to include a with video card at the end of this video. You can simply click on that. But I'm going to, right after this scene, I'm going to include a very short summarized video walk you through quickly. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel it, slice it, set them on a tray, pour salt on both sides, let them soak for like 10 minutes. And what the salt does is not only take the bitterness out, it also helps to collapsing the air pockets in the flesh, and then that limits the amount of oil that can be absorbed. So it reduces the amount of oil absorption, so which is a good thing. So we definitely have to do that. And then after 10 minutes, we're going to rinse them under water, pat them dry, make sure they're dry as much as you can. I mean, there's going to be some water still in there, but that's okay. And then go ahead and dice them and then use them on a recipe. So you're going to see a very, very short, quick, like seconds, walk through the process in the next scene, and then we go from there. So you can also cook this in the oven. After the process is done, you dice them. You can toss them in a bowl with some olive oil. Put them in a sheet tray, set them in the oven, place them in the oven, set the oven at 400 degrees, and probably 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes timing for them to cook. And then it'll be ready to use from the oven. So that's the other way. Okay, I have a little bit of oil in my good old trusty wok, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start. And I have the heat on high. So let's get going here. Okay, so I've had it on for about a little over a minute, and I haven't had any oil in it. Like you can see, there's a little bit of smoke. That's okay. We're gonna keep going. We really don't need to add more oil unless we really have to. So it's doing very well right now. So it's been a little over 2 minutes, and we're doing good here. You know, the eggplants are a little damp because of when we rinse it after to clean the salt off. You know, there's going to be some water in it. So and that helps to stay not to get burned quick. So they're doing well. There's probably they're about 30% cooked. So yeah, we're still on a high heat, so we're doing good. Spend another minute. They're about 50% cooked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of oil and then add some chopped garlic, about 2 or 3 cloves. Well, I got 4 here, so you can add as much as you like. And then I'm gonna add the garlic to it, and I'm gonna reduce the heat to half. You don't want the garlic to burn. There we go. And then we're gonna do this probably about a minute or less than a minute. Yeah, it smells fantastic. Yeah, eggplant looks great. Okay, we're not going to add any more oil. I really hardly use any oil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cup of fresh cherry tomato halves. And then let them mix together. Beautiful. Now we're going to let that cook for a minute. All right. Okay, now we're going to add half a can of diced tomato in juice. We're still going to keep it on medium high. There we go. Now we're going to let that cook for another couple of minutes. Beautiful. So the heat died on me, so I'm going to turn it up. And then once it starts going, I'm going to turn it back on medium high. Okay, let's go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And mix that well. Okay, good, good. Okay, now I'm going to add a zest of 1 lemon. About 1 small lemon. We'll just get that mixed in there. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna need half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of oregano, and then some salt and pepper to taste. If you like um, red pepper flakes to give it a little, you know, a bite. That's just totally optional. You can add some. Whoops. I'm just gonna sprinkle some there. That's it. All right, folks. So we're about ready to add the pasta, and then we're gonna have some other ingredients that we're gonna add too. All right, I'm gonna put this spoon away. So this is a whole wheat pasta, about 8 ounces of whole wheat pasta. So we wanna mix them well. you know, with a fork, fork-like spoon, like this one. There we go. And then we're gonna add some capers, as much as you like, and then some sliced green olives. There we go. Looks fantastic. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate this and then add some more toppings to it. And you're going to see the finished product. Now, if you like this a little bit more saucier, you can add a little bit of tomato sauce or marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce to it. But I don't think it really needs it. But, you know, it's just some of you might have a preference of like a lot of sauce. But that would be the way to do it. But to me, this is just perfect. So that's just an idea. Okay, so here we are. I plate them very well size portioned for you know, each individual. So the only things left now to top it up is some feta cheese, and then we're gonna do some fresh chopped basil. That one goes a little more. There we go. And then last but not least, some balsamic vinaigrette glaze. Just make it, oh, okay. You can do a round or, there we go. And voila, bon appetit. So this really, I don't think really even takes 30 minutes, even if you don't have the pasta ready. Very easy, very healthy, delicious, and just follow the recipe. It's very easy, nothing to it. Enjoy. Okay, now here are the top 10 key points to know before starting a Mediterranean diet. So let's understand it. Number 1, emphasizes on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Plain and simple. Number 2, focuses on lean proteins, primarily fish, other seafoods, and poultry with limited red meats. Number 3, use healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and avocados. Number 4, choose minimally processed foods and aim for whole foods. Number 5, be mindful of portion sizes. 50% veggies, 25% grains like bread, quinoa, and 25% of lean protein. Number 6, drink plenty of water, wine in moderation. Number 7, flavor and season your food with fresh herbs and spices instead of salt. Number 8, enjoy meals with friends and family. Number 9, mix sustainable and environmentally friendly food choices. Number 10, customize to fit personal taste and preferences. And I'd like to add one more, 11. Incorporate regular physical activities. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and cooking tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And I would also love to hear about your favorite Mediterranean recipes and diets. So feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And be sure to check out my other videos on the right and left. And until next time, stay healthy and stay on track to your goals.